manual breast pump. A manual pump lets you set the pace. You control the suction, the rhythm, and the flow. That means you can stay comfortable and avoid that too strong feeling that sometimes happens with electric pumps. It's also quiet. No buzzing, no wires, just you and your little one's peace. You can use it anywhere, anytime, without drawing attention. Perfect for those late night sessions when you don't want to wake anyone up. Another big plus? It's lightweight and easy to clean. You can toss it into your bag when you're heading out, and there's no need for charging cables or batteries. For travel or quick pumping breaks, it's honestly a lifesaver. And here's what many moms love: the gentle suction of a manual pump can help stimulate letdown naturally, especially in the early days when your body is still adjusting. So if you're new to expressing milk, or just want something reliable and simple, a manual breast pump can be the perfect partner.